Okay, this is the second part. I chose these first two guys right here. But when I did that, I didn't really look and make sure that I would be able to get a number to solve for. When I use these two guys, I ended up with the same number, and if I tried to cancel one of these y's or x's out, I would get nothing. So what I'm going to do, instead of using this equation, I'm going to jump down and use this one instead. That's going to give me a y to solve for, so I'm going to use that one instead. So over here, I'm going to cross this guy out. I'll write it on the video. Hey, don't use that one. Make sure you use something that you can actually solve for. I can't solve for an x or a y in this because it cancels out. So let's rewrite this one down here. I'm going to use x plus 2y minus 3 equals 5y, or equals 5. All right, then I can add a 3, and that's going to give me something I can actually work with. All right, so over here I'm going to end up with x plus 2y equals 8. All right, so see, now I got an x and an x, a y, and a 2y. I need the 2y because I need to solve for that, and then a 5 and an 8. So I'm going to bring this guy down here. So x plus y equals 5. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this top piece by -1, basically. All right, so -1 times x is -x, -1 times y is -y, and -1 times 5 is -5. All right, now when I go ahead and solve this, x and x, -x and positive x cancel out. Here I have y minus 2y, which gives me y. And then here I'm going to get -5 and 8, which is going to give me 3. That's a lot better. See, over here I would have got nothing. It would have just been blank. So now I've got y equals 3. I've got z equals 3. Now I can go ahead and plug these two guys, the 3 for the z and the 3 for the y, into one of these formulas, and then I'll be finished. So let's come down here. Let's do x plus 3, because y was 3, and I'm just using this top formula. All right, so x plus 3 plus 2 times 3 equals 11. All right, so x plus 3 plus 6 equals 11. X plus 9 equals 11. Subtract a 9, subtract a 9. X equals 2. So final answer would be in this format: x, y, z. So x is 2, and y and z are both 3. So 2, 3, 3. All right, sorry I screwed up right here. Like I said, if you end up with nothing, you can't really solve for it. So make sure you use a number that you can actually have something left over, and you should be okay. All right, so the ones with 3, not really that difficult, just a lot more steps you have to kind of follow. Hopefully this helps.